Well, it's Sunday evening, and my wife and I are out sitting by the fire, enjoying a beautiful evening. And I'm going to introduce you to my new friends. Hi, guys. Are you home? Are you home? Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Hi. How you doing, tree swallow? How you doing? Are you sitting on your little baby eggs? Are you sitting on your little baby eggs? Hi. Are you both in there? Are you both in there, or just one of you? Hey? You both in there, or just one of you? You let me rub your neck? You let me rub your neck? Hey, come on out and say hi. Come on out and say hi. Well, we'll see you tomorrow. Have a good evening.